Yeah. Hello, my friend, and thank you for checking out this video. Obviously, you're interested in the rapid client acquisition guide that you can easily download from this point. But before you do, even if you've downloaded it, that's okay. I want to tell you about something. Who am I? My name is Ayo Benson. I trained as a chartered accountant. I've got MBA from Oxford. I've been in the corporate world for so many years. I've been an entrepreneur. I'm also an author, and I'm working on another book at the moment on leadership. Now, the reason why I'm telling you all that is we have a lot of people who would like to work with us, but we can't physically actually work with everyone. So I've prepared that guide as a solution to giving people the opportunity to actually try their hands on um, improving and enhancing their marketing, adopting automated marketing system and, ideas that they may not have access to anyway. So what is it about? It is about marketing. If you don't do marketing, your business will struggle. If you're not good at marketing, your business will struggle. So, but we know that most people, most business owners, they don't really have the time to learn everything about their business. So they have to focus on what they are good at, and then outsource the rest. That way, you're likely to get exponential result. When clients come to me, that's the first thing we look at. Is you look at what motivates and fascinates them every day. It's not easy to find. There is a method to finding it. If you are able to determine what you're good at, what your passion is, just focus on that, and we rearrange your business in a way that you're able to systemize it, outsource it, automate it, and your business will take off. Why is that? Why is systemizing your business so important? Let me ask you a question. Take a task in your business, no matter how small, mundane, or easy that task is. The question is, can you do that task 5,000 times in a day? Very unlikely. But can a machine do that task 5,000 times in 1 hour, or even in 30 minutes, or even in 1 minute? Right? Yeah, that is how you create wealth. Some people may say, oh, my business is not that big, my business doesn't lend itself to automation. You're wrong. I can tell you that for sure. So anyway, in terms of marketing, automating your marketing process, especially the leads generation part of it, is very, very critical. That's what rapid clients acquisition is about. Download it, read it, make the most of it. Now there is a button where you can book a session to talk to us to help you explore the gems in your business that you are unable to find yourself. It takes about 15 to 30 minutes to explore what you're doing and where in your business can you actually get exponential results. So, as a business coach, we help you find that, and then we help you transform your business as a result of that. Um, I'm gonna round this up. Don't forget to book a session with me or any of my other colleagues to explore with you how your business could be done better. And if you do, are you listening to this? I'll give you a code because I'm gonna give you my book, Gold Mine of Your Mind, Your Fast Track to Abundance, free of charge. It's about 300 page book about entrepreneurship and how your mindset can get you exponential result. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye bye. Bye for now.